I think the exhibition they're going very well, was really busy, and I think the people, it's interesting about Greece, and especially about the island of Agistri. It's very new for them, but I think they are very interesting, and I think that everything will going very well. Agistri Island, it's a part of Saronic Island. It's approximately 1 hour away, sea crossing from Athens mainland via Piraeus, and you have plenty choices and many boats to come from Piraeus to Agistri. For people not like only to swim and to sunbathing, have a lot of other things to do, including walking, cycling, kayaking, diving, boat trips. And because we are in the middle of the Saronic Islands and very close to Athens, I think it's the ideal base for those people they want to enjoy, to find and to see other places and other islands which close to Agistri Island. Actually, I see a lot of Israeli people they're coming to Agistri. The last 3 years we cooperate with your company. I think we're matching very well because the mentality is very close, and it's really nice for us to welcome Israeli people in our island.